Today we are in downtown Apalachicola and we are going to the Biscuit Factory for breakfast. There's not a lot of places open early in the morning down here, but when doing research online, everyone has said that the Biscuit Factory has some of the best breakfast sandwiches ever, not just around here.
Wow.
And it's got great reviews. So we're starting from the Gibson Inn and we're gonna walk down and show you where it's at, get some sandwiches, try it, and let you know what we think. Let's go check it out. So here's kind of the end of the Gibson Inn. And for reference, across the street here, we did a review at the station. It's also currently a little bit after 7 a.m. They said most places down here, like for breakfast, you're not gonna see them open until maybe after 8. But apparently, the Biscuit Factory opens, I believe it's 6:30 is what it said online. So we're gonna cross Market Street. This town is so pretty. And the map is telling us to go all the way down here next to the water. But look at the sky right now. It's also perfect weather. Now this isn't like a full sit-down restaurant. It actually is, I want to say like a food truck, but it's inside a building. And from the pictures online, they've got like a food truck painted on the building. So I'm excited to see that. And it's not a big menu, but what everybody says, it's some of the best food around for breakfast. Brings us to Water Street, where we will take a left down by these boats. And before we get there, we have to pull over and show you the beautiful sunrise here off the water. I kid you not, it is right now the perfect temperature. Look at that. Right there with the bird. Can you show us the way to the Biscuit Factory?
He doesn't know.
Nope, you don't know? All right. It's currently a Wednesday at, like I said earlier, just after 7, which means it's a very quiet town, but nonetheless a beautiful spot. It's telling us to keep going down Water Street. And right on where we're at, Water Street and Ave F, where these doors are opened, that's where it's going to be. So next to the cigar shop. Parking, I mean, wherever you can find a spot, but I will say, with it being so nice out, walking to the location, pretty easy to do from the Gibson Inn. Here we have, behind these doors, some of the best biscuit sandwiches around. The Forgotten Coast Unforgettable Block. Oh, check this out. This is cool. Wow. Good morning. Good, how are you? All right, so the menu shows biscuits. You got biscuit with jam or jelly, egg, cheese, sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, egg, cheese, sausage, gravy, biscuit, BLT on Texas toast, honey butter chicken, cube steak, egg, cheese, and you've got a keto. You also have sweets, drinks, and side items. Mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. Now down here we have a special brisket biscuit with egg and cheese.
I think that's what I was smelling, was the brisket.
Oh yeah. And also you can see they are already right here, ready to go. They've got some shirts. I love their little Volkswagen van. And then over here are some of their sweets. And you can get drinks like tea, Coke, Sprite, water. Now they are currently out of their orange juice, but I went with the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. I got some strawberry jelly on the side and mayo on the side, and the review online said that somebody came back twice for the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, and then Timber got the biscuits and gravy to try, and also with a tea and a water. Total price I think was around $17-ish, but you do pay on a little device there out in front. But this is awesome. I love this right here. And up here they've got some old signs. Oh, and there's the BLT on Texas toast. So then obviously it's all to go, and hours are 6:30 to 11 every day. But here it is right here. This awesome spot. We're gonna go eat by the water since you just grab it and go. But before we do, it's right here. Honestly, who doesn't like eating by the water with this beautiful sunrise still happening? Plenty of spots down here. Now, if you have not watched some of our previous videos of this area, just for a heads up, parking everywhere is free. The only thing you would have to look for is if it says it's specific for a certain business, but everywhere down here is free. Here's where we're going. Here is the legendary, oh yeah. And here we have the biscuits and gravy. Oh yeah. Look at this thing right here. The cheese melted on there. Now I will add mayo and jelly later, but just wanted to show what it's like as is. Just to look at the biscuits and gravy. Also gonna try the biscuits and gravy. That's so good. Biscuits so good. I think online it was saying like a 4.8 out of 5, and I would tend to agree with that. I like how it's simple. I mean, and it's quick. Obviously, as soon as we ordered, the food was right there, and then you get to eat next to the water. And it's one of the few places actually open for breakfast here in Apalachicola. Now, we don't usually eat a lot of breakfast in the morning, so this is nice too because it's a smaller option. You don't have to get a full meal, and it fills you up. I mean, the sandwich is a pretty good size sandwich. Realistically, since we don't eat a lot of breakfast, we probably could have shared either plate. But if you do like breakfast, we would recommend getting your own sandwich or biscuits and gravy. Don't feed the birds, but they will join you right here by the water. You can talk to them, but don't feed them. Sorry, buddy. Here's a trash can. That took, I don't know, from the time we actually got there and ordered to now, maybe 10 minutes-ish. Just for fun, we're gonna head down Water Street and Avenue E. Again, down there where that car is parked on the left, it's where the Biscuit Factory was at. We just kind of want to see this downtown one last time before we head out. So quiet. That brings us back to Market Street, where we've got the grill restaurant, and we are currently staying. We stayed at the Gibson Inn, so we will be leaving today, but for reference, again, that's where we started this video. And I like because it's a smaller downtown, but it packs a punch. It's got quite a bit of stores. They just don't open super early, and it seems like they don't stay open late.
At least during the week. We are here during the week.
Oh, wow. Just a quick little preview of downtown, because we won't have a full video of downtown, just the clips that we have done while visiting. And if you haven't followed us very long, we ate at the station up the street here, stayed at the Gibson Inn, and then now did the Biscuit Factory, which is right over there.
I've never seen it in my life.
Now, as a side note, right here, there's a photo spot, and in here is an Emmy Award in person. Never seen one in
It's
person.
about oysters.
Oh, we're going to have to check that out. For timing wise too, we were here when the storm hit, so it was moving through the town as we arrived, and that's why as of now it is a very cool morning with a slight breeze. The Gibson Inn, we actually started the video up here by these vehicles, so that's probably where we will end up ending the video. If we don't get blown away.
I had the biscuits and gravy, and they were really good. Sometimes you can get gravy that's like watery or doesn't have flavor. It was nice and thick and creamy, and it had good flavor to it. The biscuit itself was good as well, and then I just had a water. I liked that it was quick and easy to go and get. You could always, if you're staying at the Gibson Inn, you could get one of the bikes and bike down there, because it is a decent walk. It's not bad though. I'd go early in the morning for sure.
Now I got the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. I was torn between that and the sausage, egg, and cheese. Depends on the day. However, the review said they came back twice for the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, so I wanted to give that a try. And I mean, it is just a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, so there's not a lot of variance when you get that item. But for it being a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, it was very, very good. And like Timber said, I would recommend getting here earlier, just because I feel like closer to like 8 o'clock when people start going out on the boats or on the water or just arriving or going to work, it probably fills up pretty quick. And it also might get a little warm here in the town since it is summertime. If the storm didn't go through these past few days, it probably would be a scorcher. As she mentioned, staying at the Gibson Inn, getting the free bikes would be awesome to go down there. But walking was really nice because you're right there near the water, which is a great background from here. And it was just a good spot. I think the person helping us might have been the owner. Very sweet, very kind, and just a cool spot. I think for me, what I liked a lot about it was the bus facade. You know, the mural that actually looked like, I mean, it had real tires and stuff. Lastly, I will say there was one con with it, and that was they had no orange juice this morning. So we went with the tea and water, which is completely fine. And if that's the only con, not a bad spot. So there it was, the Biscuit Factory in Apalachicola. Fun little spot. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like breakfast, easy spot to get breakfast. We won't go back into detail since we just told you our opinions, but it was a good find and agree with the reviews.
I do agree too.
So there you go. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.